Now we will learn basic character animation. Create new composition. Name it as composition 1. Keep the width and height as 1920 by 1080. Frame rate 24 FPS. Start time 0. Let's set the duration to 30 seconds. Hit OK. You can see we have got timer from 0 to 30 seconds. Let's create new solid and get and set its color as you want. Let's change its name as BG1. Now let's go our character folder. Here you can see that I have already created my character and separated its body part into different layers. This is done so that we can animate each part using keys. Just select all and drag it into project panel. Now drag them all in timer. Press S and just adjust scale. Press S again. You can see we have got all parts and now we need to position them perfectly. From here, you can check your layer by turning on or off your layer visibility. Let's select them, hit right click on your mouse and make them in one group by setting pre-comp option. Click on move all attribute into one comp and name it as character 1. Now all the elements move to one group. This will make our timer look clean. Now double click on it to open the layers. Here you will find all and can adjust and animate them. So let's first arrange them. Here let's keep right hand and arm in one group. Select them both, right click and create pre-comp, name it as right hand. Now we need to place its anchor at shoulder so that we can animate it from there. Do the same with all parts. Select it, right click and make it pre-comp. Name it as left leg and adjust its anchor. Now we need to adjust all anchor correctly. Put the eye anchor in the middle. Here you can see I have done all the adjustments. Now adjust the body proportions accordingly. Place the body layer above the legs. Keep right hand behind the body layer and left hand on top of face and eye above the body layer. Now you can see this all is fine. Let's rotate it a bit. I think this is fine now. Now place it according to your animation scene. Here you can see if I make change in parts, it can be seen in comp 1 also. Let's animate the eye first. Scale the viewport, select the eye layer, press S, and now this is a sign of constant. It means if we make any change in any value, it will keep its ratio fixed. So if we turn this off, you can see that only one value is changing now, and turning it on, the both are changing. We need to turn this off and start animating eye only in Y direction. You can zoom in or out the timeline from here. Set the key 0 and again 46. You can see the eye is blinking now. Now select them all and copy it by holding Ctrl+C and paste them all by pressing Ctrl V after moving few frames forward. Repeat this step as many times as you want your animation. Now let's move to hand part. Press R and start it animating by making initial key and final key as shown. Now copy them both and paste it by going few frames forward. Repeat this as long as you want your animation. Now you can see the hand is in moving position. Now double click on it and you can see its arm and hand layer. From here you need to animate these forearms to as shown. Now this animation is good. Let's move to another hand and do the same we did with the right hand. By pressing this icon, you can jump on next or previous keyframe. We need to set all keys on the same time as we did it right hand. To make it more visible, let me change the solid layer color. You can use any image file also.